ka Jingdon jong ki Common Service Center Manla ki Shnong jong ka Thain Ribhoi District kala Pynsuk shikat de ki babon ki Paidbah habai de bat ki babon ki chatkam kum ka Jing apply na ka Bynta ka Aadhaar card ka voter ID card ka residential certificate ka PAN card ka train bat flight ticket ka online payment bill bat ki wei ki jondon kam Shushu na lor kini ki Jingdon kam hagane ka CSC ki ju hikairu ya ka computer training course bat ki wei haka khat tarik urampang arhajar arpuwei layo ban plebiang sai ka wei ka Common Service Center haka Shnong umsning lum nong rim deuli haka ba lawan ban ple do video jongka umsning CNRD block usri Raja Brahma harangkar ka Jingdon lang UVLE uba Edmond Karir u district manager CSC uba Viceroy Majau u state senior manager CSC uba Bante Khongjo kinong yelam bat kisang samla jongka Shnong bat kisang long kme jongka Shnong lum nong rim deuli umsning.
So we can solve the problem, legally. The feel along the digitalization, Pilashin Jingara Digital India, software developed under the flagship program NIC, the men who are behind it. The one which come out in the field, when our local people and used to the issue belong to Kaputamja. That was one of the examples. I don't know the project, what the status till now. So we have services. But I think if I miss, I can be the MPSC or DSC. They go to the members secretary of DSC. They pitching an applicant more than 30,000 applicant on different posts. It is possible only we have online. 30,000 applicants can receive hard copy. They cannot even come name form certificate. The manually we have checked way. They got no manpower in come. And they want to condense in one, you can set off software, and then online apply. If you want to click, you can either one of the applicant, what are the criteria now. We can sort out, we can filter out the eligibility criteria again another way. Everything is on the click. The CSC is one step to connect the gap, to fill the gap. The sincerity comes. The principle of working atmosphere. They are not going to they don't have your benefit during the scheme. Otherwise, if they don't get benefit, it will be like, just like white elephant after spending so much in infrastructure, government are trained subsidy, but if doesn't help the rural poor, but then to able the scheme, the access is futile. They pension. They think one simple come one office, take your LD, in charge at Paidbah. Have one year. Come along a person minute night, think Shibina, Arbana. Then the case of the Rubana. This is the solution for everything. If you come on office, strong only capacity. I the certificate on click online, apply office only. Apply office only, but new neglect, new overpass, rather than system. You have 3 ways. There are time bound. The new delay that will reflect. They come to EP group, you can come and it should be a low coordinate election office. Feeder no certificate online plan apply. So these are the services. We have to store here. I hope this CLC will work in good faith. Come in charging the fees. Bring along done by CSC from what they charge. Simple government fixed 10, 40, 50, they charge more than that, up to 200, 300. Come down you're opening a bank account and all that. That should be restricted. If their charge means it comes under the purview of corruption, and the people will run away from the services. So you have to make that the services should be like comfort in the rural area. And I hope that would come. So with good faith and with good principle, I think the working atmosphere will be good. The CLC center will help our rural poor. The one area. It's not only for the people of Lungang and Dole, but I think this center is a heart of homesteading blocks. I look future along Kumdangni Akmat. They cut done in the services, they utilize from there so that we can give from our block also our services more efficiently. So the agenda objective is to help the rural poor. With this word, I'd like to thank everybody with the wish you all the best, Thank you very much.